This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Christine Rank. Here's your opportunity to own a beautiful piece of earth. This 1.23-acre lot has new electric service and pedestal installed to hook up your camper or ready to build your dream home. There is an existing septic system that was inspected for the county in 2020 and a well on site, not currently in use. This beautiful peaceful spot is close to all the recreational opportunities in the area, a short drive to Wisconsin Dells, I-94, Castle Rock and Petenwell Lakes, Sand Valley and numerous championship golf courses. There is a small garden shed and lawn mower to help maintain the beautiful wooded park-like yard. Set out a few feeders and watch the birds and abundant wildlife. Don't pass this one up. For more information, review the details.